Stop working harder. I've trusted 500 plus AI tools, and today I'm going to be telling you 12 that will transform your future. This isn't just about starting a business, it's about securing your future. The first tool that I will share will save you 12 plus hours of tedious work this week. Tool number 1 is Granola AI, your private AI second brain. It never joins your meetings, it just listens and creates perfect notes on the spot. You can just focus on diving deep into these complex problems instead of focusing on the transcripts most of the time. And this isn't just applicable to meetings, it's applicable to sales calls, to pitches, to so many different use cases. The use cases are really just endless. Tool number 3 is Lovable.dev. If you have an app idea, you can literally build it within seconds before most people are even mapping out the original product prototype and mapping out how they're going to code it. You can build a landing page with a payment processor in literally 5 minutes, which is how you outbuild every single person. This is genuinely one of my hidden gems. Vibe coding with Lovable is next level, because what you can do is you can take plain English text. You just give it into the app and it creates an entire app for you with a working backend, with a huge code base, with huge capabilities. You can use this for absolutely anything. Next up is your.com's Atlas. It's an AI that instantly calls, qualifies, and books meetings 24/7, so you don't have to do any of the dirty work. So this is what the interface looks like. Now you might be feeling like, oh my god, Alina, this looks so complicated. Where do I even start? This is the onboarding process that they take you through. Nothing crazy. So as you can see here, they give you all of these different steps that you need to follow. It's a very step-by-step, easy to follow process. Your actual interface is going to look something like this, where you have all of these things available for you to check and choose from. Tool number 5 is 11 Labs. You genuinely need to use this. If you've messed up a recording, you never have to re-record a line again, because you can use AI to clone your voice. Yes, you heard me right, and it's a very easy step-by-step process to do it. If you want an in-depth video, make sure to comment down below and I'll get to it. Tool number 6 is HeyGen. Remember that 11 Labs tool I just talked about earlier? You can combine your AI avatar with the cloned voice, and if you don't want to be on camera, you don't have to be on camera. You can just pair these two tools together and you get this AI version of yourself that sounds like you, looks like you. There are so many people that are using this and getting massive results. Here are a few examples. Make sure to use my viral video script formula with HeyGen. I'm putting the exact script in the comments down below, so check it out. Tool number 7 is ChatGPT's voice mode. It can become your personal AI mentor to walk through complex problems with you. Start your next session with the prompt, challenge me, and make sure all of my ideas that I tell you are completely bulletproof. It will challenge your thinking and unlock its true power. Tool number 8 is precision.co. It connects your data and gives you a clear move to improve your numbers day by day. It's the best for action-oriented marketing and business building. Tool number 9 is Fixer.ai. It's your AI assistant for your calendars, your bookings, your emails. It handles all of the boring, repetitive work so that you can focus on what truly matters. Tool number 10 is Gamma.app. I genuinely do not understand. I cannot fathom how people are not already talking about this. It turns your boring ideas in plain text, whatever topic that you have, your PDFs, into stunning PowerPoints in literally seconds or minutes. Tool number 11 is BuddyPro AI. All you need to do is upload all of the context, all of the meeting docs, all of the documents that you have for your company. You can ask it any answer and it will reply back instantly with that added context. Tool number 12 is Vapi. It helps you create AI-powered voice apps that you can interact with instantly, which is genuinely the future of AI automation for interaction with human to AI. I have just given you an arsenal. I want you to pick one tool this week to start implementing into your workflow. And for all my personal cheat sheets, templates, every single resource that you could possibly need to serve my community, to help you guys, I've linked them all down below in the description, so make sure to check them out. Click the first link in my description to get my AI Advantage Toolkit, and also the link to 5 free Google AI courses to start learning and implementing AI into your workflows.